In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save offline attachments in Outlook for Windows. First, open Outlook on your Windows PC. If you use the desktop app, launch it from your Start menu or taskbar. If you use Outlook on the web in your browser, sign in and make sure you're on your mail view. Either way, the process is the same at a high level. You'll open the message and save the file to a folder on your computer so you can access it without an internet connection. Next, head to your inbox. You'll find it in the left sidebar within your list of mail folders. If your message isn't in the inbox, check other folders like Archive or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the email by sender, subject, or file name. Open the email that contains the attachment. You can double click the message to open it in a separate window or select it once to read it in the reading pane. Look for the paperclip icon, which indicates there's an attachment, and confirm you recognize the sender. If anything seems suspicious, it's best not to open or download the file. Now select the attachment to reveal its options. You might see a small preview or a file card with the file name and size. Click once to highlight it. If there are multiple attachments, click the one you want to save. For very large files, keep in mind that downloads can take longer and may require a stable connection to complete. Click download. In the desktop app, you may see options like open or save. Choose the option that specifically saves the file to your computer rather than opening it in a temporary location. In the browser, the download button may appear as text, a downward arrow, or within a three dots menu on the attachment. When the File Explorer window opens, select where you want to save the attachment. Common choices include your downloads, documents, or desktop folders. You can also navigate to a project folder or create a new folder to keep things organized. Before you finish, consider renaming the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later. Finally, click Save. Outlook will store the file in the location you chose. To confirm it worked, open File Explorer and browse to that folder. From now on, you can open the attachment directly from your computer, even if you're offline. That's it. You opened Outlook, went to your inbox, opened the email, selected the attachment, clicked download, chose a save location, and saved it. Repeat the same steps for any additional files. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.